at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Yo, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm on the light bee, and it's crazy. I did so much stuff to it, and it's so much cleaner now. Ooh. I still got the work on it. So I've been riding Ultra lately, and this bike, it's so much lighter that it's like compared to the Ultra V, and it's way more easier to whip around and stuff. It's so much fun. So I have did a lot of things since the last time you guys saw it. Well, actually, you guys will see in a little bit, but you guys can already see some stuff. Or at the beginning of the video, you guys saw me get the guts. Oh. Oh. It didn't stay up. I'm learning how to pop faster. Oh. Okay, that's a bad example. But I'm learning how to pop it up faster. Like the form, I could. And now I could do it at 28. So getting better. If you guys want to pop up faster, make your suspension more bouncy. It does so much. Like, you push down in it hard and it springs you back up and helps you pop up so much. Ooh. You guys can already see the chrome triple clamps. Triple trees look so good. And I'll show you guys what I've done once I get to my destination. Me knock. Oh my god! I don't think. Trust me, guys. I could do it. I'll do it. There we go. This is like, this one and the Ultra B are like my favorite bikes. And they're getting so clean. Like, okay guys, the next video on the Ultra B is gonna be crazy. The Supermotos got delivered. So it is going to be crazy clean. And then PC coming soon on the Ultra. That green framing it. Oh, this light takes forever. Jeez. I got a Baja now, like a S2, similar. Because the Squadron was just too big and it didn't look right. So the Squadron went on the Ultra, so I got this. So next trick, I think it's gonna be combos. Cause comboing the Surron is so nice. Especially with the triangle, it makes it so much smoother for combos. Oh. I would never sell this, bro. Like, I know most people, they sell their Light B to get an Ultra B, but it's so nice being able to have two. Both of them. A tiny little jump right here. Ready? I could pop at 18 without standing. But to stand up when I'm standing, I could do like 28. So, I mean, the only difference from hopping between the Surron, the Ultra B, and this is that the heavy and the rear brake, like, I press it too much and I'll just drop, or I won't, or I'll drop, like, because on the Ultra B the brakes are a lot better. So I'll be going back and I slightly press it, I'll keep going back till I slam it. That's the only thing I have to get used to, but they're both Surrons, so it's easier than like going from the YZ to the Surron, the Light B. I think I said that in the last video too. Let me know what else, because I'm going to show you guys, and let me know what else I should do to this build. I like the outcome of it. It's coming out very clean. Ready? Going into the sunset. So sorry the video came out late. I was busy and I couldn't get the video yesterday because I've been busy all week, and I went to go film the video and the GoPro mount broke off. So I couldn't do nothing because I would have to glue it back, and it's gonna I don't want to leave and it be not completely dry. So I just said I'll do the video Sunday. Mega Ride Sunday. I wish I could have went, but next year hopefully. Will it lean? Perfect. So I'm gonna cue into the phone. Alright, you guys are cued into the phone. Look how clean that is. So I'm gonna go into what I did. So we got the shiny frame PC, glossy black. It looks so much cleaner. Got the guts. Then we extended the battery, and we got the battery latch. Looks so clean. Chromed out triple clamps. The Baja. I don't know if I had this in the last video. Chromed out stem and a Warp 9 cap. Bro, it's so clean. Let me know what else you guys think I should do. Oh, pegs. That's the next upgrade. I've been lacking on that. I even got the bottom mount. I don't know what it's called, but all chromed out. It's looking so clean. Probably a new front tire soon. This is gonna be my dirt build, and the Ultra is gonna be my supermoto. It's gonna be like a 250 supermoto. Hopefully that's the plan. Yo guys, I'm back inside. Got the Ultra and the Light B. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing.